Radhi everyone. Now, today's topic is a Kirchhoffs law. By the help of Kirchhoffs law, we can find the current. Okay. So Kirchhoffs law is divided into two parts. One is called as KCL, another one is called as KVL. Okay. Now, in the case of KCL, Kirchhoffs current law, sum of all incoming current is equal to sum of all outgoing currents. Or we can say that incoming current is taken as positive, outgoing current is taken as negative. Okay. Now, and second is KVL, Kirchhoffs voltage law. Kirchhoffs voltage law says that sum of EMF plus sum of voltage drop equal to 0. Okay. So, by the help of this KVL, we can also find out the current from the circuit. Okay. Now, first of all, I will discuss about the numerical of KCL. Then after that, I will discuss about the numerical of KVL. So, computer, computer, please show the circuit of the KCL so that we can apply the rules in this. Yes, show the circuit. Now, in this, you see that 10 ampere is a current source and 2V, it's a dependent source. Okay, this is a dependent source. And the shape of diamond is called as dependent source. Now, in this case, what to do? We have to find the value of V. Okay. Now, let's start with the numerical to find the value of V. Then after that, we can find the current from another circuit that is solved by the help of KVL. Okay, let's start with this. Now, in this numerical, find the value of V. Okay, this V. Okay, by the help of KCL rules. And in this KCL rule, this 10 ampere current flows like that. We can denote, this is I1, okay, and this is I2. Okay, correct. Now, this is 2V. So, in the case of step number 1, apply KCL. Correct. Now, in the case of KCL, now this I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2V. Correct. Let's suppose it's I3, or we can denote it like I3. So, okay. Now, I is 10 ampere. Correct. Now, what about I1? I1 is V by 5. This V, it means at this position, at this position, at this position. Okay, same, it is V by 5, V by 2 plus 2V. Okay, now find the value of this. 5 2s are 10, 2V plus 5, okay, 5V plus 20V. Correct. It means 10 into 10, 100. Okay. This is 100. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 20, 27V. It means V is equal to 100 by 27. Okay. This shows that 100 by 27. 100 by 27. This is equal to 3.7. 3.7 volt. Okay. Now, you have a V that is 3.7 volt. If you find I1, this I1, V by 5, it means 3.7 by 5 ampere. Okay. This is I2, V by 2. This is again 3.7 divided by 2 ampere. Okay. This is by the help of KCL. Correct. Thank you so much. Now, next is by the help of KVL. Okay. Yes, computer, please show the circuit. Yes. In this circuit, this 10 ampere, okay, and 5 ohm resistance, these two branches change the phenomena. Okay. By the help of Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Okay. Now, in this case, V is equal to IR. I into R, it means I is 10 ampere, R is 5 ohm resistance that converts into 50 volt. Correct? Then 5 ohm resistance is connected in series with the 50 volt. Okay, now same is in next branches, that is a 5 ampere and 1 ohm resistance. Okay, now in this case 5 ampere and 1 ohm that converts into a 5 volt, and 1 ohm resistance is in series with this 5 volt. Okay, clear? Now yes, computer, please show the next circuit. Okay, yes. In this case, you see that 3 loops are present in this, and this is by the help of your mesh. Mesh is a part of KVL. Okay, and think this. If the component is present in any branch, it means that I am giving you example that you have a branch. First of all, understand this branch. Branch is a word that comes from a tree, and in the tree so many branches are there, and if leaves are connected with the branches. So in this case also we says that it's a branch. In a branch, resistance is present in this. Resistance is a behavior of load, okay, or a leaf. Understand? Clear? Now I will now find out the current. Yes, computer. Yes, thank you. Now, so this is the circuit, and from the circuit we have to find the current I1, I2 and I3. Okay, now I will tell you the whole detail, and in this I will tell you the trick how to write the equation in a seconds. Right. Now step number 1, redesign the circuit and mark the polarity. Okay, very simple numerical, very simple numerical. Now in this this 10 ampere current 5 ohm resistance changes, okay, as you show earlier, same as in this case. This converts into voltage. This is 50 volt, and this one is 5 ohm, correct, and this one is 10 ohm, and this 1 ohm resistance that changes again with the voltage 5 and 1, that is your 5 volt. Okay, now this is 5 ohm and this is the resistance, correct. This is the 10 ohm resistance, plus minus 10 volt, correct. Now in the case of step number 2, first of all this is redesign the circuit and mark the polarity. Okay, how to mark the polarity? This current I1, I2, condition is that in a clockwise direction, current is in the clockwise direction, plus minus, this is plus minus, like that. Okay, according to the direction of the current. Okay, clear? Now this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, correct. Now in the case of step number 2, okay, now in this case write the mesh equation or KVL equations. Apply in A, B, C, D, A, correct. Now plus minus, minus 10 I1, this is okay, plus minus, minus 1 I1 minus I2, plus minus, minus 5, minus plus 50, okay, plus minus, minus 5 I1 equal to 0. This shows that sum of EMF plus sum of voltage drop equal to 0. So add it, minus 10 minus 1 is minus 11, minus 5 minus 16 I1, okay, minus plus I2, okay, then plus 45 equal to 0, or we can write it like 16 I1 minus I2 equal to 45. Okay, now in the case of second mesh, apply in B, E, F, C, B. Okay, plus minus minus 5, I2 plus minus minus 10, I2 minus I3, minus plus plus 5, okay, plus minus minus I2 minus I1, okay, equal to 0. Now add this 10 plus 5, 15, and this one 16, minus 16 I2, okay. Now minus minus plus, plus 10 I3, and what about the I1 values? Okay, minus minus plus, this is plus I1, okay. Now plus 5 equal to 0, or we can write it like 16 I2 minus 10 I3 minus I1 equal to 5. This is your second equation. I will tell you the now trick how to write the equation. Okay, now this one 16 I1 minus I2 is equal to 45 in a seconds. How to write? 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 16 I1. Okay, then this branch is the middle of the I1 and I2. So subtract the second one. Okay, so this is minus I2 equal to 45. How it is 45? Plus minus minus 5. Okay, minus plus plus 45. Sorry, plus 50. So now this is 45. Correct? Equality. Now in the case of second, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 10, 16, 16 I2 minus 10 I3 minus this I1 equal to minus plus plus 5. Okay, so similarly third equation. Now this is plus my find out with this at 10 into I3 minus I2 equal to plus minus minus 10. This is my third equation. Now solve the values of these three equations and find out the value of I1, I2 and I3. So in a short way I will tell you the answers, because I know that you all understand the how to calculate these values. So I will tell you the answer. This is basically I2 is minus 0.37 ampere. Okay, correct. Now I3 is I3. Now first of all I will tell you the value of I1. I1 is minus 2.79. Okay, now what about this I3? I3 is basically a minus 1. This is minus 1 and plus I2. Okay, minus 1 minus 0.37, it means minus 1.37 ampere. Okay, this is minus 1.37 ampere. So okay, these are the values of currents. Now thank you so much for watching this video. If you think that this is very good for you, very beneficial for you, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Jai Mata Di.